Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh no, it's not straight. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John and today I'm going to cut my hair since my hair grew like so long and I can't stand it anymore. I look so weird and yeah, I just want to cut it myself. So if you want to see how I do that, then just give a watch. So first of all, I want to show you guys how long my hair actually is right now. It's like ridiculous. They look like so weird as well and not healthy. They don't feel healthy at all. That's why I want to cut them down. I've always had like long hair and I just am so tired of it. Also, this video is truly inspired by my YouTube friend Olivia. So Olivia, if you watch this, I stole this idea from you. Of course other people cut their hair as well, but you totally inspired me to cut my hair at home. And yeah, you guys should definitely check out her YouTube channel. She makes amazing videos and I will be linking all like the links down below. I will be linking the links down below. Well, yes, of course. Well, so yeah, let's just look at me hair color. Not hair color, hair length. I should be cutting this out. Oh, I should probably be taking like a thumbnail, like a clickbait thumbnail, like, oh my gosh you guys, I'm cutting my hair! Well, I'll be doing that now. I hope that I won't focus. I'm simply going to follow the steps that Olivia did in her video. So, I straightened my hair and next I'm like parting these, and since you can see my hair is so much thicker on this side, it's because I had that brain surgery on this side and my hair is growing, you guys. It's almost been a year and I'm super happy, but I still want to like cut them down now. I don't really know which length would suit me. I tried it out like this, but I don't think this is boring as well, so maybe we will go up here. I think this would look sweet. Oh, hello. I don't know what to do yet, but yeah, let's just like part these and then we will see. And I'm super excited. As I said earlier, I've always had like long hair and I can't really see myself. Okay, this is so much better now. And this like thing right here is my mirror, so excuse me for that, but I just need to watch myself and like every step. I also hope that you all can hear me well. I think I will put this right here and then I can cut them, and I hope that I can get like a straight line because I love like straight hair styles so much. So let's just do the same thing right here. And as I said, like my hair is shorter and not so thick on this side, but that's fine, it's only like hair, right? And there's so much more important things on earth than hair. So yeah, let's do this. I wish I could donate them as well because Olivia did that, but my hair is like dyed like several times and I think you can only donate hair when it's like not dyed at all. Is that true? I don't know, let me know in the comment section down below if you know. But yeah, once I cut my hair, I hope to like dye my whole hair in this blue shade because I'm so loving it lately. Oh, this one. Oh, I should take this one down a little. So I think it looks fine. So this is the hair I'm going to cut down. It's a long part, right? But oh my gosh, my voice, you guys. I'm so excited and I'm so ready as well. And I really hope that I'm focused, but I can't really see it. Like I can barely see since like I need some glasses, you guys. Okay, so let's do it, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Also, I love these voices when someone cuts like their hair, right? It's like ASMR to me. So I really hope that my camera is good enough to focus this. But my window is open as well. Can hear like them birds and whatever out there. But I still hope that we can hear my hair. Yeah. So excuse me also for not looking straight into the camera. I don't know. But we will just go for it now, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm starting with this one right here. Should I cut it like here? Oh my gosh, no one can answer, right? This is the hardest part. I think I'm starting right here and then we can see. Oh, what am I doing right here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I never had this short hair. And it feels amazing, like super lightweight and so healthy. I love that. Oh my gosh, I may keep it like that. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh no, it's not straight. It's not straight at all. Holy guacamole. I'll ask my mom to like correct this. Oh, I think I can see it right here. Like the part right here in front of me. Like the front part. I'm sorry, I'm so confused right now. Is a bit longer. But it looks like so sweet. I love it. It's so cute. Look at that. It looks like super fresh and guys, why didn't I do this earlier? Holy guacamole. Also, I'm turning 25 this year. 25, and I think I'm like too old for long hair. Also, oh my gosh, my camera is dying. Okay, I need to cut the other one as well, because I would be so pissed if my camera dies. Oh, so let's just put this somewhere. Alright, I just put my hair onto my bed. So, what did I do? Right here. Okay, I think I did this. Right. So let's do the other part as well. This one is going to be so much easier since there's not too much hair to cut down. Yes. I'm not doing a straight line. Why? Oh, it did the same thing right here, which is good. Ah, this one is shorter. Damn it. I almost said the F word, but I stopped myself. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, look at it! It's so sweet! Oh my gosh! I really love it, you guys. I'm so impressed with myself. I may did the wrong job. But, like on this side, right? I did wrong on this side because this side is shorter. But I'm going to correct that. It looks so sweet. I'm so happy. So, these are the hair parts. And I need to take off that focus because it's just so loud whenever I do that. So can you see that? Oh my gosh. I may keep these as like earrings or something. I'm just kidding, but look at them. And that hair right here looks like so fluffy and it feels like a soft brush. So today I'm using BH Cosmetics to put on like this bronzer, and on the other side I'm using like a multi, so just the 3 for 1. You can order them. I do have a coupon code on that as well. I'm just kidding, so many people are going to like unsubscribe, but I don't care. I do have short hair now. Yay! I loved it so much. Let's put my hair down on my bed again, and I feel super free now. Why did I not do this earlier? Holy guacamole. So let's put on focus again, and I think you can see me clearly now. So this is my hair now. I'm super happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, give this video a thumbs up please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!